Womp womp. I hate this neighborhood exit. Yeah, I'm going. Don't you worry about it. Just a matter of... I usually like to take this curve so much faster, but because of a fucking Sentra, then fucking go! What the fuck? He's how scared they got. Pound vehicle, but whenever a motorcycle passes them, they freak the fuck out. That shit makes me laugh. What the fuck? I'm not riding behind you. You're hugging the wall. That's too much for me. Way too much for me. Oh, it's officially becoming fall. Look at all the leaves. The leaves. They're gonna fall. This is madness. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Come on, people. That is the importance of preloading your legs when you're hauling ass. You hit a bump, you need to be able to... You're the devil. License plate scanners. For those of you that don't know, that is a part of the repo man. Oh, the gas tank's cold. It's nice. That's a part of the repo man hustle, okay? Jesus, that car is has a bunch of license plate scanners on it. So when you start missing payments, those cars drive around and they scan plates. If they find a plate that's like due on back payment and the car is in repossession, they will follow you to where you parked the car, report that to the repo company so the repo man can come get your shit. So if you're driving a car and you behind on your payments and you know the hook man's looking for you and you see one of those cars, you better act like that man's the police and get away from him, cause he gonna try to go to where you live. He gonna tell them boys. He gonna tell them boys your secrets and they gonna come and get you. So just a little heads up for all of y'all. Yeah.